So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money with free item. What's up guys, it's Ayub from ViralWhirl here. And before you start watching this video, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, if you're interested in making money online, if you're interested in starting your own business right on YouTube without having much subscribers, only 500 to 1,000 subscribers, then go ahead and subscribe to my second channel. It's in the link in the description. There I'll be showing you guys how you could do the exact thing I just said, making money without having tons of subscribers and without even needing to be monetized. Okay, so if you only have 500 to 1,000 subscribers, you'll be able to do it. So subscribe to that channel. I'll be posting how-tos, tips, and just showing you how you could do the same thing I'm doing, which is basically making money off my YouTube channel. And it's not through ads, okay? So don't worry about being monetized. Okay, guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money with free items. Now, when you think free items, you're thinking, how the hell are you going to make money with free items? Okay, so when I say free items, yes, you're going to be making money with free items. That means you're going to be sending out physical items to customers that are going to be purchasing them. However, they're not going to be paying anything for the item. They're only going to be paying for the shipping. And that takes us to free plus shipping. Okay, so I'm sure most of you guys know about the free plus shipping method. It really does not technically doesn't work anymore. Okay, it's on Shopify. If you guys know, on Shopify a long time ago, you've seen those ads. You've seen those ads right on Instagram, on Facebook, that tell you, get this shitty hand bracelet, the lion hand bracelet. I'm sure you guys seen it around. All you got to do is pay shipping, and shipping is like $10, and that item they buy it for like 25 cents. So basically they're making $8 of profit or $7 of profit, depending how much they're paying for to ship it to you. So it's not really free. They're making money off it. It's not really free. And I know, before you get to commenting and telling me this method is saturated, this method, everyone has done it before, this method does not work, don't comment that, okay? Because I'm not going to be showing you that exact method. It's not going to be the exact method where you're going to have to pay for paid ads, okay? So that method, you basically, if for you guys who don't know, you set up a Shopify store. So you set up a Shopify store, say this is the Shopify store, and you list that item, okay? Say this is the item. It's a watch maybe, and you basically have it for $0. So it's $0. All they got to do is pay for shipping, which is $10.95 or something like that. So all they got to do is pay for shipping, and they get to have the item. Like I said, a lot of people were doing this back then, but with this method that I'm showing you guys right now, you don't have to worry about paid ads. So don't worry about paid ads. Don't worry about paying influencers on Instagram. I'm sure most of you guys know people pay influencers $20 to $25 to post their item, post a poster about whatever item that they have, and they do this free plus shipping method. And you don't have to worry about SEO, which is search engine optimization. So you don't have to worry about promoting your website, promoting your shop, anything like that, okay? You're using free traffic. So all you got to do is set up a Shopify store and list whatever free item that you're giving out. I'll show you guys a niche that you guys can use in a little. So set up the Shopify store like I show you guys right here. I already show you guys in past videos how you can set up your own Shopify store. Go ahead and watch those videos. I'll link them in this video on the top right corner. So go ahead, watch those to learn how you can set up a Shopify store. And on that video, there's a 14-day free trial for Shopify. So you don't basically have to pay for anything. You don't have to invest anything during these 14 days, and you'll still be able to make money. Okay, so it's free plus shipping. You're not going to be using paid ads, no influencers, no SEO. All you're going to need is Reddit, okay? So all you got to need is the free offer, which is your item. You could give out watches, you could give out t-shirts, you could give out literally anything. You could give out makeup brushes. Those work pretty well. But yeah, I'll show you guys in a little what you can give out. And then you use Reddit and Twitter. So you need to make a Twitter account for this, okay? Because you can't just post on Reddit with your regular account and tell people, check out this website, this is a free offer or whatever. They're not going to believe you, okay? So you need to set up a Twitter account. So set up the Twitter account and have your free offer ready, and then you post on Reddit. And then you post on subreddits. So this depends on what kind of niche you're doing. If you're doing makeup, which works the best, okay, there you go. I just give you guys a niche. This works really well in the makeup niche. Okay, I've seen people making $1,000 a day, $500 a day just from posting on these subreddits. So the free offer. So let's say, for example, you're giving out makeup brushes. Okay, so what you do, that's your free offer, makeup brushes. You're gonna make it for $0. All they gotta do is pay for shipping for these makeup brushes. And what you do is make a Twitter account. Once you make that Twitter account, you should make that Twitter account something like free coupons. I mean, not free coupons, but coupons galore or something like those coupon websites. Okay, you know those coupon websites that always give out good offers like 50% off, or they even give you offers like this where you only got to pay for shipping. So make it like a coupon Twitter account, quote unquote coupon Twitter account. Make a nice profile pictures for your account. Make it look professional. Okay, make it look like a brand. So make it look like a branded website just like this, like coupon.com, or a promo code website where they give you promo codes for other websites. Make it look professional. Make your Twitter account look professional just like this. A nice profile picture, a nice username. Like I said, you could use coupons galore or coupon mania, whatever it is, okay? Offer mania, whatever it is. And what you do is then go on different subreddits. Make a list of subreddits that are related to your niche. So makeup brushes, I would go on subreddits for makeup, subreddits for women, whatever. Basically, whatever is tied to makeup brushes, I'm going to subscribe to that subreddit. Once I subscribe to that subreddit, I don't go ahead and post right away, because on Reddit, they're going to easily spot you if you're posting promotional content or anything like that. They're going to easily spot it from like a mile away. So what you want to do is get familiar with their community, okay? Make sure you comment on posts. Don't post right away, okay? You want to do this within 1 week, okay? So in 1 week, you want to comment on posts. You want to upvote. You want to communicate with other users, get familiar with their community, okay? And then you can post, okay? After 1 week of upvoting people's posts, after upvoting people's comments, after getting karma on that subreddit, after 1 week, you want to post that free offer. Tell them, oh, look what I found on Twitter. I found this. It's free plus shipping. You only got to pay $10 for shipping or $6 for shipping. Whatever it is that you want to do, whatever it is, whatever profit that you want to make, and take it from there. And basically, like I said, post on different subreddits. You can also go on this subreddit right here. This subreddit is general. It's not niche-based, so you're going to find anything on here, anything and everything. So you can post on here too. You can post on the offer subreddits. You can post on the coupon subreddits, and subreddits, of course, that are related to your niche. And this could work really well if you know what you're doing. If you have an aged Reddit account, even if you don't have an aged Reddit account, you could buy one on PlayerUp. Okay, so if you have an aged Reddit account, and if you can get upvotes, if you can buy upvotes, that will help you really well. You can buy upvotes for your posts so more people could see it. As you can see, this community right here has 668K members. So that's a lot of people, and you have 1,000 people already online. So whatever you post right here, a lot of people are going to get to see. So all you got to do is make a Twitter account, and then on that Twitter account, make it like an offer account or a deals account, and then post free plus shipping items, whatever it is that you're doing, whatever niche that you're in. So for example, I searched free just pay shipping on Twitter just to find what people are posting, and I actually found people doing the same exact method. So this guy right here, amazing deal for Cristiano CR7 hat, but this guy, he's using his Twitter account. I don't think he's posting this stuff on Reddit, but he's doing the exact same thing, just pay shipping. So if we go to his website, so we're on his website, we can obviously see that this guy is drop shipping, and this guy is using Shopify, okay? He's using Shopify as his platform, and it says it's $0, so all you got to do is pay shipping. Let's see if we add to cart how much the shipping would be. Okay, so the shipping is calculated at checkout. Okay, so they don't show you the shipping until the next step, so that's a good idea. You're going to get to people... You're going to get people to sign up for this whole thing, and then they continue the shipping, and then it tells you how much it is. Who knows? It might be $10. It might be $20. Who knows? Let's see if other people doing the exact same thing. Okay, so this guy right here. So I'm pretty sure this guy is doing the same thing. This guy is doing the trim pill keto trial. So this is an easy way to burn fat. So what this guy is doing, this is only a $4.97 offer, so it's $5. So what this guy is doing, he's not really using Shopify. I'm guessing this guy's using something like affiliate marketing. He's using an offer that he's promoting, or he's using ClickBank. So that's another good way. A lot of people don't know this, but with this method, you don't have to start your own Shopify store, okay? You don't have to do that. That's just a method I would do to maximize profits and to make more money and to have a variety of niches that I could choose from. I could literally choose from anything. So what this guy is doing, like I said, he's using an offer from a CPA network, or he's using ClickBank, okay? If you didn't know, ClickBank offers like a giveaway free section where they offer stuff that is $0 plus shipping, okay? So it's trial stuff that people trial out, and if they like, they buy the real thing, but you still get a commission off it. So if someone buys this, even though it's $0, it's $5 for the shipping, even though it's $0, if you claim that free bottle and actually buy from this guy and actually buy from this website, this guy gets a commission, okay? He's doing the exact same thing. As you can see, this guy started this account just 2 days ago, okay? He's already posting 2 days ago, and he's posted 11 hours. Wait. He's posting 12 hours ago. Yep, he's doing the exact same thing that I said. And this guy's saying it in the description. He's dumb for doing that. I don't know why he's doing that, and he's using his own picture. That's stupid. It says, I'm an online affiliate marketer, and I have the best offer for weight loss to health with. Okay, no one's going to believe that. But still, like I said, you could do this exact same thing. You could use ClickBank. Okay, you don't have to do your own dropship iPack. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is a ClickBank product too. Okay, so this guy's doing the ClickBank product too. Oh my God, the bracelet. This is the bracelet I was talking about, this dumbass bracelet. It's cheap as hell. It's $0, but you got to pay for shipping. Again, shipping is going to be like $10. But you can do the exact same thing. I don't recommend you go ahead and do this bracelet, okay? Like I said, if you're going to do something in the makeup niche. Or, this is a good one, okay? This is a good one. So this guy's doing this in survival. The survival niche, there's a lot of money in the survival niche, okay? The survival niche, it has a lot of crazy people in it, and they're willing to pay buttloads amounts of money for this shit, okay? So you could actually promote this stuff to these kind of people. So this guy says right here, the links marked with an asterisk are affiliate links. If you buy through this link, I get from their relevant online store provider a commission for you. Price does not change. So this guy is giving away these nice for free. Obviously, you're going to pay for shipping, but this is a good way. Again, there's a lot of survival subreddit niches that you can use. And like I said, you don't have to go ahead and make your own store. You could just sign up for ClickBank or any other affiliate network and find offers like this where the customer only has to pay for shipping and you get a commission once they actually buy and pay for the shipping. The best niche to do this in, for me, is probably makeup and survival. Like I just showed you guys that guy's doing survival. The best niche to do it in is makeup and survival. You can go on AliExpress. You're going to find makeup brushes. You're going to find makeup palettes or whatever girls use. And you could use that exact same stuff to drop ship and promote on Reddit for free plus shipping. So yeah, guys, this is a free method that you could use. You don't have to pay for anything, okay? The only thing that you would have to pay for is probably a Shopify account. And you don't really have to pay for a Shopify account for the first 14 days because it's a free trial. I'll give you guys the link in the description for the 14-day free trial. Go ahead and sign up for it and try this method out. I promise you, if you try this method out, I promise you, you're going to make money today. Well, not today because you're going to have to actually get familiar with the Reddit community, but you would make money within this week after you start posting on these different subreddits and, of course, the freebie subreddit. If you do this method, I promise you, you will make money. So try this method out. I have videos on how you can start your own Shopify store. And if you don't want to go the Shopify store route, you want to go the affiliate route, go ahead and sign up for a ClickBank account and see what they have on the free section where it's free plus shipping. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions on this method, make sure you comment them down below or just shoot me an email. It's on my YouTube page. You can email me on there. and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, and peace.